Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and today I'm going to update the current market condition and looking forward for the next coming holiday months. And I'm going to show you a 7 stock that ready for the holiday rally. So first of all, let's take a look on the S&P 500. As you can see here, the market has been going down since December last year until the middle of November, and the market be able to found the bottom and then push it back up to the upside. However, at this moment, as you can see that the market fell in March, they put it up, they hit the resistance, they come down. In August, they put it up and then they coming down. But now we still have some more room left to come back to test the downtrend line here. So in the short term, we still have a chance for the market to put it up to the upside. However, we still treat the market as a bear market rally until the market be able to break through the 4,300 level in order to tell us some kind of bottom is in place. Okay, so if you look at the volatility index, we also see them it continue to go down. That's why they have the market to going up. So they have a strong support down below here. As long as this one continue to go down, the market is still have a chance to put it up to the upside. The inflation and the interest rate is still a major problem that can cause a lot of damage for the big cap stock like Microsoft. You can see Microsoft still have a trouble to put it up to the upside. Apple, they put it back pretty strong, but they hit resistance, pull back down. And Tesla continue to go to the downside. Google, it also go nowhere. They hit the resistance, they go sideways. Amazon, it continue to push it down to fill up the gap there. Facebook, Meta is still going nowhere. Netflix is still pretty strong, but it's still in the sideways. So as you can see that as long as the interest rate is still high, they can cause a lot of damage for the big cap stock. So right now, the market is rally without the support of the bigger cap stock. So like you are swimming in the water with the shoe on, so you have to be a little bit caution. However, we still believe that the market still have some push it up for the Christmas and holiday rally here. Okay, so as you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get-rich quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know how to read the chart by using the right technical analysis, then you are gamble with the stock market. So holiday is a good time for you to find time, invest in your education. That's the only way that for you to survive in this volatile market and stack your financial freedom. That's why as Stock Navigator, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight. So we will mentor and support you daily on our live Q&A by many instructors until you are successful, so that you can join our 24-hour Discord community with thousands of members that willing to share ideas and support the new member. So click the link below, show more link below to find out more about Stock Navigator. Now the holiday season coming in, I'm going to show you a 7 stock that on the move and ready for the Christmas rally. Okay, so first of all, the first one is the ticker symbol is NUE. That's a new core corporation. As you can see that this stock have been coming down. They found double bottom. Now they put it back up. Today they break out the level here. So the target is still up into the upper bound there. Next one is the ticker symbol MNST. That's the Monster Beverage Corporation. So this stock is after they run up in June, and then they pull back down. They found the support, they break out. Now they continue to put it back to the upside. So the target is still up to the upper bound there. Next one is the UPS. As you know that the infrastructure, the XLI industrial is still pretty strong. The UPS have been coming down. Now they be able to get back up. The momentum is to put it upside. So we're looking for the resistance to upper bound there. And the next one is Pepsi Cola. The ticker symbol is PEP. This one is pretty strong, as you can see here, getting to the holiday football season. This stock will continue to put it back, so we're looking for the resistance to upper bound there. And next one is the JBL. That's the ticker symbol is the JBL. Okay, that's the electronic company. They're pretty strong. As you can see here, they have been put it back up, hit resistance, pull back down. Now they'll be able to break out the resistance level and continue to put it to the upside. So the target is still in the up about there. Next one is the PCAP. Okay, so that they call PACCAR Inc. Okay, PCAR. So this stock is very strong, as you can see here. They'll be able to break out the downtrend line and continue to put it up to the upside. This stock is pretty strong right now. Even the market down, but they are pretty strong. So they still have room to put it to the upside for the holiday there. The last one is the ticker symbol is for a company called Rider System. The ticker symbol is R. So this stock has been ran by up and down here, but finally they'll be able to break out this resistance here. So the momentum is still in the upside, so they will continue to ramble up for the next coming month here. So that is the 7 stock that I picked it up. And so you put in your watch list, and let's see how they lay out. And those stocks are pretty strong, and then they have a strong holiday season to put it back up. So put in your watch list, and let's see what they are doing. Okay, so that's all I have. That's all I have for you today. So I hope that you enjoy my analysis. So please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below, and I will see you on the next video. And happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Take care, everyone.